Hello everyone. In this video, I'll demonstrate you how we can use EMS panel to provide the feedback to tech call, demo, or even there are many more things added to this particular portal in recent past. So it will be login here as in your employee code and password. So once you log into this, you will see in the left pane there are more options added. Initially we have only attendance, but then we have added leave. So if you have any leave requested in the past, whether it's accepted, rejected, or still in process, you can see the status, or even you can apply the new leaves from here. You even can view the student details, your past assignments which you have already delivered, any assignment which is allocated to you of future, that is visible here. Along with that, few, you can say, weeks before, we have added the student feedback here. So even you can see your feedback. You can apply the filter, maybe from, let's say I want to see the feedback from 1st January till today. When you click on view, if there are any feedback submitted by the students, that is listed out here. So you can see your first hand feedback on the portal itself, rather than you may asking your manager or resource about the feedback. The main 2 points which I'm going to discuss here in this video, one is feedback and dumps and the technical questions. So as being a trainer, you are going to allocate it, maybe tech call or demo by the resource. You get that on your email as well, that particular demo or tech call is scheduled against you. Definitely whatever the mode that for online, or maybe a tech call using the phone or Skype for Business or Zoom, whatever the tool we use. Once the tech call and demo is completed, now the next point is how to provide the feedback for that, because the feedback is very important for the sales to take that particular query forward. So what we have to do now, rather like in past how we revert back, we used to reply on email, reply all, and provide our feedbacks. Like, this is what the conversation had with student, this is the suggested course, and whatever, all the details. So what now we want, rather than sending it on email, what we can do, we come to here on the panel, login. Under the feedback and dumps, you can see whether it is tech call or the demo. So accordingly you can select, and then when you click on the search button, it will list out relevant tech call here. And then you have to click on the feedback or dumps. So once you click on that, you get a pop out where you have to provide your feedback, like maybe the call done, suggested for Azure implementation course, whatever the all inputs you want to share regarding that particular call. And then under the dump, it's primarily we are focusing about what about all the question which student or that particular customer asked during the call or the tech call, because that questions might help us to prepare some sort of question answers, or maybe some side of a set of questions which can be used later stage by sales or by RTC team, or maybe by any new trainer, so that they can have some idea in the call what all kind of questions can be there, so that they are better prepared. So you have to provide the feedback along with dumps, or any question which you feel that is what the scenarios or question which the evaluator asks from you, and then you can click on the save button. Once you save, this particular feedback will be recorded in the RMS system, and that is equally true for tech call as well as RM demo. If you click on demo as well and click on search, if any demo allocated to you will be listed out here, and then you can go to the feedback. Again, you have pretty close same sections over there, and then you can save it. Once that part is done, you may just revert back on the email that the tech call is done and the feedback is updated on the RMS, so that the concerned department or concerned person can retrieve the feedback from here and take it forward. Apart from this, we have recently added one more tab here called technical questions. So you all aware that even many times we ask question from you on email or call. If this is the question, what can be the relevant technical answer for that? So rather now going for email and call, what we are planning or what we are going to implement, we have added the technical section block here in the RMS itself. So what sales will do, they log into their panel and then they submit the question by selecting the technology or course and then the question what they want to ask. So now whatever the question they put from the course, RMS system intelligently identify the people who have skill on that particular course, and that question will automatically added to the dashboard of that particular trainer and the relevant manager. So now as a trainer, when I log into panel and go to technical questions, I can see here two questions are added, like what is ESXi and how it is different than vCenter. This can be any question, whatever submitted by the sales. And if I believe yes, I can answer that question, I can click on that. And then in the answer, I can say, okay, ESXi is hypervisor, Y VMware, and vCenter is management platform for SIM, blah blah, something like that. So once you save this question gets saved, this answer got saved, and now the same get updated on everyone's panel. So let's say user or the trainer A reverted back this question, and now trainer B come. He also see because his skill set also belongs to that particular topic. So if that trainer click on the particular question here again, he can see the person who reverted that particular question and what is the answer for that. And if you think this is perfect, it's okay. If you feel I want to add some value to that, so I can say yes, along with this ICM used in all verticals, something like similar, fine. So then you can also update. So we can see now in this way, multiple technical people can add their value to the question, and in the backend database now we have more information. If we have any repeat question in future or the similar query at the sales panel, while they try to submit the question, they will automatically guided by the system. This question is already asked and this is what the relevant answers for that. So this will also help us to revert to our customer faster. Our sales have database in their panel which they can use, and still if there is any new question coming up they can submit. And being a technical team, our responsibility is to actively monitor these sections, and when there is a question and you feel that yes you can contribute, you have to log in and then open this question and submit your answers. So working together we can make this tool or we can make this in-house build software more close to our business requirement. Looking forward for your support. uh, in future we are expecting many more tabs to be added in this panel, and as we have new things added, definitely we will update you using the concerns department or maybe through the manager, or even I will prepare few more video series to understand how this newly built tool can be used to add the value to our business. Thank you so much for watching.